used to reread lecture slides until they felt familiar, yet still blank out during exams. Harder AI quizzes weren't much better. They often repeated ideas or tested the wrong things. So I built Noodle. So I vibe coded the whole thing in a day. Worked, mostly. Then I kept asking AI to patch stuff and it just layered more duct tape on top. At some point, the codebase was 60% Band-Aids. Codex was different. I had it audit the whole repo first, then one planned pass with GPT 5.6. Didn't touch the code myself. It ripped out like 3,000 lines, fixed the grading logic, which had been subtly wrong for weeks, by the way. Got sync and sharing actually working, plugged some security holes I didn't even know were there. Threw in automated tests, too. I still designed how the learning flow works, that part's mine. But the does it actually run without falling over part? That's on Codex now, and it holds up. Instead of a single difficulty level, I define a Bloom's C1 to C5 blueprint. Noodle then identifies high-yield concepts and generates questions that match both the blueprint and my own material. Now, I'd like to introduce our application, Noodle. Here, you can choose what you want to study, and then select a cognitive level from C1 to C5. Next, you just need to wait for the quiz to be generated. Once the quiz is displayed, select your answer. Then, scroll down to view the explanation. The app also includes a hand gesture feature. Simply show one finger for answer A, two fingers for B, and so on. This feature is useful when your hands are dirty and you can't touch the computer. The app also features nose dwelling for users with disabilities. Simply move your nose to the answer you want to choose, then turn your head to the right or left to navigate to the next or previous question. That means anyone can use this AI. After completing the quiz, you'll see your score as a percentage. You can retake the quiz, choose how many questions you want, and review a summary of your performance analysis. Besides retaking the quiz, you can also explore the knowledge graph feature to identify the topics you need to improve. There's also an AI simulation feature that transforms learning materials into interactive, game-like simulations. This feature provides visualizations that make complex concepts easier to understand. You can also save questions and strengthen your memory with the flashcard feature. Cool, right?